everyone. So in today's video, we're going to be making a floral arrangement. Come on with me, guys. So remember, you go ahead and you choose your favorite vase. You also go and choose your favorite florals, and then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you right here what florals that I'm using. I absolutely love white florals, so there are my taller stem white roses, and then I have the mini ones. Right here I got the tulips, and the smaller florals did come from Michael's. Those tall ones, believe it or not, did come from the Dollar Tree, and I'm so excited. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I will be linking those down below in the description box. If you choose to support my channel, you can even buy me a coffee, and I'm going to leave that information below. Now, when setting up this floral arrangement, I wanted to keep the colored tulips in the center and then kind of surround the florals with the mini roses, and I think that's going to look absolutely beautiful. You can even put a pick in here with your favorite bow. I'm not choosing to do that in this arrangement, but look how nice this is looking, and I'm doing that in a circular motion so that there's mini roses all the way around those tulips. Now, I think this looks absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to head on over to the reveal. Now, isn't this looking absolutely gorgeous? I love that bling vase, and that was a DIY I created, and this is perfect for spring. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.